Good morning, students. Today, we will understand the fifth lab program, how to clip a line using Cohen-Sutherland algorithm. So, we can divide a region into 9 different regions. This is the clip window, and the clip window line across the boundaries are extended towards top, left, bottom, right. And the given clip now, the given region is divided into 9 regions. The region inside the clipping window is identified with the region code 0000, and along the top, left, right, bottom. And this is left bottom, this is right bottom, this is right top, left top. Similarly, if I consider a line segment, if both the endpoint of the line segment lies inside, then I consider the line is completely inside the clip window. No required to perform the clipping. If you consider this line, the end point of the line segment both lies outside the clip window. So I can consider this line is completely outside the clip window. So no need to perform any clipping. When we consider this line, you can see a part of the line segment is inside, a part of the line segment is outside the clip window. So we need to clip the line because this is a partial line segment. So let us understand how do we clip a line by applying Cohen-Sutherland algorithm. Cohen-Sutherland algorithm first perform inside-outside test. First do inside-outside test. How to do inside-outside? When the OR operation between the two endpoint region code for a line segment is false, then the line is inside the clipping region. This is inside test. When the AND operation between the two endpoint region code for a line is true, not 0000, then line is completely outside the clipping window. This is outside test. Lines that cannot be identified as completely inside or completely outside are missed check for intersection with the window border line. Algorithm for Cohen-Sutherland algorithm. Step 1. Assign a region code for two endpoint of a given line. Step 2. If both endpoint have a region code 0000, then given line is completely inside. Step 3. Hence, perform the logical AND operation for both region code. In step 3, the first action, if after performing the logical AND operation of the region code, if the result is not 0000, then given line is completely outside, else line is partially inside. If line is partially inside, then choose an endpoint of the line that is outside the given rectangle, find the intersection point of the rectangular boundary, replace endpoint with the intersection point and update the region code. Repeat step 2 until we find a clipped line either trivially accepted or trivially rejected. Repeat step 1 for other lines. Let us understand the implementation of line clipping Cohen-Sutherland algorithm. In the program, include the required library. As defined true, value set 1. As defined false, value set 0. As defined boolean of type int. Double a variable, double for the variable x and y is of type double. So we'll use these variables x and y, which is of double data type, to find the intersection point of the line segment with clip window. Let us define what is xmax, ymax, xmin, ymin for a clipping rectangle. Xmin is initialized with the value 50, xmax is equal to 100, yman is equal to 50, ymax is equal to 100. So we draw a clip window by specifying the lower left corner of the window and upper right corner of the window. Defining region code. int variable of type const. Define right is equal to 8, left is equal to 2, top is equal to 4, bottom is equal to 1. Outcode 0, outcode 1, outcode out, done, except are variables which is of type int. In the main function, glut init will initialize the glut library. Glut init display mode, set the mode by specifying the constant with the glut underscore single, indicate single buffer usage, and RGB color mode. Glut init window position, specify the default position of the window, 0, 0. Glut init window size, width and height is 500, 500. Glut create window, create a window of the name Cohen-Sutherland line and drawing algorithm. Now we'll call an init user defined function. In the initialization function, GL matrix mode, set projection mode, glue ortho 2D, set the clipping window size with 0, 300, 0, 300, and change the matrix, change the projection mode to model view mode by calling GL matrix. Glut display function. So the display callback function registered in the main function will call display function. In the display function, GL clear color will set the background color of the window. GL clear will create the color buffer. GL color set red color for clip window. You can see this is the clip window and we set the red color for clip window. So how do we draw the clip window? Using a line primitive, and the type of line primitive is GL underscore line underscore loop. This primitive is used to draw a club window. So this coordinate value, 4 coordinate vertex coordinate value will draw the clip window. Next, specifying what is the color of the clip window. Specify what is the color of the line segment. Specify the color of the line segment across the clip window. So and we draw the line segment by calling the primitive GL underscore line. So 2 line segments we are drawing by calling the 2 vertex 2 line segments. Now we call line clip for the first line segment 60, 20, 80, 20. This is the first line segment and this is the second line segment. So let us see how to clip the line by calling the function line clip. Implement the Cohen-Sutherland algorithm by using this line clip function. X0, Y0, X1, Y1. They are the 2 coordinate position of the line segment. Initially, accept value is defined with false, done is equal to false. First step, compute the region code for the point P1 and P2. P1 and P2. Say, let us assume the P1 represented with X0, Y0 and P2 represented with X1, Y1. So we'll compute the region code for the first point by calling the function compute outcode. Compute outcode. This function will compute what is the region code for a point. Initially, code is initialized with the value 0. If y value is greater than y max, so indicating that that particular y coordinate value is above the rectangle, so code value is equal to top. If y value is less than y min, then code value is equal to bottom. If x is greater than x max, that indicates that your x value is to the right of the rectangle. So code is equal to right. If x is less than x min, that indicates that the point x coordinate value is to the left of the rectangle. So code is equal to left. So similarly, compute the outcode for the other endpoint x1, y1. After computing the outcode for line segment, both the endpoints of the line segment, now using the do while loop, we have to check whether the endpoint region code is 0 or what. Okay, so first we will perform inside outside test and then check for the intersection point. So let us first check for whether both the endpoint region code is 0. So if it is 0, then the line is completely inside. If not of outcode 0 or outcode 1. So if the condition true, then except is true, done is equal to true. If both the endpoints are outside the rectangle in a same region, then we have to perform outcode 0 and with outcode 1. If the condition true, then done is equal to true, and we just need not perform the clipping of line segment. Just the line is clipped off since it is outside the rectangle. Hence, at least if the condition fails, else at least one endpoint is outside the rectangle, pick that. So we need to now compute what is outcode out. So to find out the intersection point, we use the formula according to the algorithm. Y is equal to y1 plus m into x minus x1, and x is equal to x1 plus 1 divided by m into y minus y1. So outcode and with top, that is point is above the clip rectangle, what is x, what is y. Else, if outcode out and with bottom, point is below the rectangle, what is x, what is y. Else, if outcode out, perform an AND operation with the right. That indicates the point is the right of the rectangle. So we can compute what is x value and y value. Else, the point is to the left of the rectangle, compute what is x and y. After computing outcode out, if outcode out is equal to outcode 0, then your x will become x0, y is equal to y0. So again, you need to compute what is the region code for x0, y0 by calling the function compute outcode. Else, x1 is equal to x, y1 is equal to y. Again, compute what is the region code for x1, y1. So if accept is true, then GL push matrix. This creates a matrix 1 on the top. So GL translate, apply transformation to matrix 1. Translation parameter TX, TY is 100, 100. Draw a clip window with the translation. So now we need, this is the clip window. So after clipping, I'm just translating this clip window to this position. Now I need to draw this clip window. So draw a clip window with a translation of 100, 100. The color of the window is again red. So I draw the clip window using the line loop. So, and then draw the clip line segment x0, y0, x1. Okay. And then end, I need to delete the matrix by calling the function glpop matrix. This is the output for the given program, which shows the clip window with the line segment and the clipped line segment. Thank you.